Okay, what is going on, CYPRX advanced YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. As always, if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, foreign exchange, please go ahead and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. In today's video breakdown, we are going to cover some fundamental articles that I thought were interesting, thought that I'd read and share them with you all. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the YouTube video, especially if you want this information and these articles pushed out to more individuals like yourselves. Overall, this is going to give a more concrete bias of the overall long-term perspective on the cryptocurrency markets, show you all that mainstream adoption is picking up, show you all that banking institutions are allowing, digital transactions and tokens like XRP and things of that nature, utilizing RippleNet as a payment platform. We're going to be going over some articles on Bitcoin, Casper, as well as Terra Luna. All right. Insane price predictions and things of that nature, all in these articles. Again, this is all just speculation. None of this is investing advice. This is just to show you guys that mainstream adoption is picking up and institutional order flow is going to flood into this market eventually. Now, that's not to say that in the short term, we could experience any fluctuational price to the downside, clearing out liquidity beneath the lows. But overall, in my personal opinion, the long-term perspective in this market in the next 3 to 5 to 10 years is bullish. The price appreciation of most cryptocurrency assets that are going to stick around in the long term is going to be significantly higher than what they are valued at as of right now. All right, blessings to you guys all. Again, make sure that you subscribe and let's get into today's video breakdown. So this was a very interesting article from the cryptobasic.com, 31 regulated Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges to list Ripple XRP by month's end. This is on March 22nd, 2022. All right, we see here the Japanese Virtual and Crypto Asset Exchange Association, a self-regulatory organization for the Japanese cryptocurrency industry, has announced that Ripple XRP alongside 17 other cryptocurrencies will be listed across various crypto exchanges in Japan. I just find it funny that XRP is the first one and the only one, realistically speaking, that they actually mention and talk about. But according to a report published on Nikkei Asia Today, the GVCEA, a group of 31 cryptocurrency exchanges, said in an online presentation that it will release a green list of 18 cryptocurrencies that will be listed across the Japanese trading platforms by month's end. So maybe we could see a market sentiment. Maybe this will give us that boost to $1 that we're looking to see on XRP, especially if it gets listed on certain exchanges in the Japanese cryptocurrency market. Prior to the announcement, before new cryptocurrencies were listed on any of the 31 Japanese trading platforms, cryptocurrency developers were required to go through a screening process. However, the regulatory body observed that it was lagging behind in its number of supported cryptocurrencies compared to what is observed on the other trading platforms outside of Japan. Cryptocurrencies considered to be added to the green list are tokens and coins that are widely adopted and are available for trading across 3 unregulated platforms operating outside Japan. Some of the cryptocurrencies added to the green list are included XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Again, very interesting, again, to say the least, how in every single little snippet they add that XRP is first. Interesting to say the least. We see a tweet here from Casper Network 2022 in full swing, and we've got a lot planned for the rest of the year and beyond. So go ahead and click on this link. Very interesting tweet from Casper Network, and it leads you to this page right here. Top 5 priorities for the Casper Association in 2022. You guys know overall in the short term, I am bullish on Casper. I've given you guys bullish targets of anywhere between 50 cents, $1 to maybe even potentially $1.50 at areas that I'm going to be looking to take profit from my Casper bags. All right. Reading this article, we see here, as 2022 is well underway, the board of Casper Association summarizes its priorities for the remainder of the year ahead. Before we do, we would like to thank the community, the builders, and the Casper fans all over the world for their support, engagement, and overall loyalty. We will soon be publishing a comprehensive post on each topic below, delving deeper into the most critical aspects of the Casper network. But first, here's what to expect over the coming weeks and months. Again, Casper is bullish in my personal opinion. Regardless of where we're at currently in price action at the moment, there could be another swing to the downside to collect premature sell stops and buy liquidity from people who just bought this most recent dip. However, overall in the long term, in the next 1 to 2 to 3 to 5 years, all right, we're going to be looking at a bullish Casper, again, in my personal opinion. But we see here, continuing this article, Casper Network upgrades. Tokens issued on the Casper Network. The ability to launch tokens on the network is essential for project building on the Casper Network, as well as for the ecosystem and the community at large. We see here, Casper Innovative NFT Standard. Casper is looking to leverage the most innovative and future-proof non-fungible token NFT technology to enable entirely new business models and creator economies. We see here, usage Casper to build future DeFi and TradeFi capital markets. Public blockchain, distributed ledgers, and tokenization provide the functionality to drive innovation and transformation across all areas of finance and capital markets. drive innovation. I love this keyword right here. This is from the Casper Network, published March 21st. You guys can go check this out. Here we see another article from the Daily Huddle, institutions going for XRP, Polkadot, and the one Ethereum challenger. Again, what do we see? XRP takes the headline. And what did I say to you guys in a couple of previous YouTube videos if you guys have been following this page before? I told you all that on the majority of these websites, of these news platforms, if you go back 3, 4, maybe even 5 months ago, XRP was on none of the headlines. And I told you all, watch what happens when mainstream adoption starts picking up and it starts getting listed as the first cryptocurrency that all these articles start to talk about. And we can see here time and time again, XRP taking the spotlight. Institutions going for XRP, which is the first cryptocurrency that they utilize in the headline. Okay, again, paying attention to key detail and key phrases. A leading digital asset manager says crypto investment products suffered nearly 50 million in outflows last week despite inflows to altcoins. In the latest digital asset fund flows weekly report, CoinShares says most of last week's outflows originated in North America. Digital assets investment products saw outflows for the second consecutive week, totaling a US 47 million last week. The same trend continued with outflows predominantly coming from North America providers. In step with its share of the market, digital investment products associated with leading crypto assets like Bitcoin suffered the heaviest outflows last week. And then we see here, scrolling down to where it starts to talk about XRP, while the Ethereum and Bitcoin products faltered, many altcoins investment products enjoyed inflows last week. The big winners were XRP. Again, covering key phrases, key vocabulary, key details, and how they word these articles. This is another one I found interesting from the Daily Huddle. Bitcoin and altcoins will go parabolic in April. Let's see. We know bullish and bearish targets to be mindful of for potential take profit areas for intraday levels. We also know some potential pullback areas that the market could respect on altcoins like XRP, Casper, XDC, XLM, and other altcoins that we cover on this YouTube channel. All right. A top crypto analyst says Bitcoin, BTC, and altcoin markets are setting up for a big comeback over the coming months. In a new update, Nicholas Merton tells Data Dash's 513,000 subscribers that he is becoming more and more convinced that this spring a rally is imminent. Okay. We see here, Martin makes the case that Bitcoin will soon be back to $60,000, a price range not seen since November 2021. I believe it was November 27, 2021 when the Bitcoin crash happened. Martin says that the altcoin market, already gaining momentum, will rally in turn. So you guys can go check this article out. This is from the Daily Huddle, and I found this one to be interesting. Moving on, we see an article from You Today. Malaysia eyes BTC as legal tenders, Ripple's technology to be used by Canada's top bank. I covered this in the previous article, but what can we see? We see mainstream adoption and we see institutional order flow starting to get picked up in the cryptocurrency market, where we see cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum taking mainstream headlines. And that is what we need to see this cryptocurrency market elevate in the future. All right. Only thing that is going to happen is people are going to get more interested. People are going to start asking what's going on, and they're going to start reading these articles. They're going to start getting interested. But guess what? At that point in time, it's going to be too late. Cryptocurrency prices all around the board in the form of altcoins are extremely low and compared to what the overall value of most altcoins is going to be in the near future, anywhere between 5 to 10 years from now. You know, cryptocurrencies like XDC, XRP, Casper, XLM, Algo, all right, they're all significantly discounted, in my personal opinion, again, not investing advice, compared to what they're going to be in the future. All right, coming into this article right here, this is from analyticinsight.com. Why crypto? 3 top tokens to invest in: Ripple, XRP, Terra Luna, and Seesaw Protocol SSW. But we see here again, XRP taking the spotlight. You guys can go through, read this article if you want, analyticinsight.net. Last but not least, okay, we have an article here from Forbes, and its headline reads, Crypto price prediction huge, Bitcoin forecast revealed as Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Luna, and Avalanche swing. The Bitcoin price is broken above the 40,000 per Bitcoin mark as traders welcome the Federal Reserve's steady approach to raising rates. And despite the looming threat of the increased regulation, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, Cardano have also rallied with recent challengers, Terra Luna and Avalanche, making outside gains. Now, one veteran commodities investor turned Bitcoin bull as he predicted that Bitcoin price could soar to 200,000 in just 5 years. That is insane. Again, you guys need to be mindful that the market is going to need to take a breather at some point. If we do see new all-time highs on Bitcoin or any of the altcoins, you need to be mindful and think about taking profit or taking partials. Again, because we know that eventually the market is going to need to liquidate positions. It is going to need to take a breather, and it is going to need at some point in time to enter into a temporary bear market to give a significant pullback that is healthy for the market. Alrighty, that is all that I have for you all today. Let me wrap this up here. I do appreciate the love and the support. Make sure that before you head out, you subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss any future video uploads. And don't forget to like this YouTube video. It does help boost the YouTube algorithm. As always, be cognizant, be aware, and I will see you guys in the next video breakdown.